Give the worker his due before his sweat dries. This is the Islamic ethics of fair pay. You've probably heard the phrase, hard work should be respected. But in Islam, it goes even deeper. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, in what he narrates on the authority of the Lord of Glory, "There are three with whom I will be an opponent on the day of resurrection. One of them, a man who hired a worker, took full advantage of his contract, and did not pay him his wages." There is famous sword of some Muslim figures, "Give the worker his wage before his sweat dries." That's a principle of justice, ethics, and human dignity. 1. Moral meaning: respect the human being. This teaching isn't about wages alone. It's about respecting labor, respecting people. In Islam, work is not shameful. Whether it's farming, cleaning, building, or programming, every honest job is honorable. Delaying a worker's pay, exploiting their need, or underpaying them is not just bad business, it's a sin. This is moral accountability. Because in Islam, God sees how you treat those with less power than you. 2. Economic relevance. Ethical transactions build strong societies. In today's world, wage theft is a global issue. From gig workers to migrant laborers, millions are paid late or unfairly. But Islam pushes for a proactive, ethical economy, not just maximizing profit, maximizing fairness. Islamic law obligates 1. Clear contracts, 2. Fair wages, 3. Prompt payment. This builds trust between employer and worker, which strengthens productivity and long-term economic health. Because when workers are treated with dignity, they build with dignity. 3. Social impact. Justice isn't optional. In a world where workers are often invisible, Islam commands visibility. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Your employees are your brothers. Feed them from what you eat, clothe them as you clothe yourself, and do not burden them with what they cannot bear." This was said 1400 years ago, long before labor unions, long before human rights declarations. Islam made fair treatment of workers a matter of faith. Finally, so yes, give the worker his due before his sweat dries is short, but it's revolutionary. It means react quickly, be fair, and treat every worker not as a tool, but as a human soul. Because in Islam, ethics don't stop at the prayer mat. They extend to every paycheck. This is how Islam seeks to create a conscious and cohesive society,